So guys, today we are making sambar in easy steps. So for this we already took all this ingredient. You see this, we already took like all vegetable like this long squeeze little brinjal, carrot, this drumstick, beans and potato, this pumpkin and this banana is ripe banana also. Okay, and this is our lady's finger, onion, green chili, tomato, green coriander for garnish, and this lentil you can use red or yellow. We use this red. You can use yellow also. So we have to put in water before half hour. Okay, and in spices we took like we take like ginger garlic paste also here, and this some sambar powder you can took 2 spoon like this. Okay, and it's already mixed everything in this masala is available in market, this sambar powder. Okay, and we took oil, this whole spices like cloves, this like this one we took only, and this cumin seed, and this red chili only just for we will put when this will finish, only half a spoon, salt to taste, black pepper half a spoon, this turmeric powder half a spoon, and we took tamarind also. We have to put in water before 15 minutes like this, clean, and we'll put, and this all utensils you have to use in this recipe. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. You will find how we will make this sambar at your home. So for this we already took all this ingredient, and we took this like all utensils like this, the bowl. So first what we will do, we will boil our this dal here with water and this all vegetables. Okay, and put little sambar powder and little turmeric, will boil. Then we have to dip tadka like from onion and tomato and lady's finger we will saute here with our masala, and we will put this is here our lentil. Okay, so I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. You will find how you will make this sambar at your home. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this, or if you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So let's start. I will show you. So to make our this sambar, I already took this lentil. I put in water, and also put little our sambar powder and turmeric and this salt and oil. Okay, and have to boil this with vegetable. So I already cutted our vegetable here. So this all vegetable which I show you. So we will put together with this our lentil. And here I cut this our all thing for to make tadka our sambar. So just now we have to put this all vegetable together with lentil. Okay, so we have to boil with together this all vegetable, and with sambar powder also I already put some sambar powder also in it. Okay, and have to boil. Okay, like this. So maybe 10 minutes this will boil, then we will give tadka to our sambar. Okay, you should put this sambar powder here, this little. Okay, I'll already put, I want to show you only like this little you just put. Okay, to give flavor. Okay, because we will put this sambar powder in our tadka also. Okay, when we will saute our ginger garlic and this onion, so we will put little that time also. Okay, so now we have to boil. When this will boil finish, so we will I will show you. Okay, so I cover it and have to wait for 15 minutes. Okay, and I took another pan. Here we will saute our this ginger garlic, onion, and this all these things, and we will saute. Okay, so we took already all thing like cumin seed, rye, and this our all thing, and when this will be heated, so we have to saute this. Okay, with our sambar masala, and then this will be done our here lentil, so we will transfer this to here. Okay, very easy recipe this is, you can try at your home. So our oil already heated, so we just put little this cumin seed. Okay, and this rye. Okay, little rye also put, not too much, only little you just put, and have to mix. Then we add our onion here. Okay, So now this our onion only 3 to 4 minutes finish. We just add our ginger garlic paste. So we add ginger garlic paste little only 2 spoon like this. Okay, not too much, only little. Okay, and have to mix well. Then 2 to 3 minutes this, then we will add our spice here like sambar powder. Okay. Now we put our this curry patta. Okay, this curry patta you just put, and also whole green chili like this, whole green chili. Okay, you just add and have to mix because this taste will be good. This curry patta is should be curry patta in it. So now we add our this sambar powder here. This sambar powder already is available in market. Okay, you just add your sambar powder here, little, not too much, like this to give flavor. Okay, have to mix. Salt also check. Okay, you put little salt also here. Okay, because I put in lentil also, here also you put, because here also will go inside. Okay, so now we add our this tomato here. Okay, you just add your tomato here. So we put little this our tomato here and have to saute. So when this will be ready, so we will put in our lentil, this one. Okay, so our lentil also ready to. Okay, you have to cook your tomato, then we will add this little water also you can put here. So we add little water also here, not too much, only little, to cook our this tomato. And now we add some chili round. This one, this is also you should put because taste will be good. Okay, chili round. So if you will put, so this taste will be good, and this will be good for sambar. Okay, so we have to mix this, and when this our lentil ready, so we will put this in. So our lentil also 15 minutes finish now. So we have to add this our gravy here. Okay, because we have to cook again 10 minutes with this gravy. So now we have to check our this lentil. Oh wow, so this is our lentil already done. So maybe 10 minutes again we will cook with our this spice also. This is already, see the texture, and also your vegetables should cook. Okay, so like this should be. Okay, see the color and the texture. So we have to transfer this one here. So now this we have to put our this masala here. Okay, this our already cooked lentil, already done. See, also vegetable also cooked. So should cook your vegetable and this one. So now we have to transfer this our mixture here. Okay, and have to cook again 10 minutes here. Okay, again 10 minutes we have to cook this mix. And again 10 minutes cook with this mixture. Okay, so when this will be done, I will show you. So this is almost done. Maybe 10 minutes we have to cook, cover, and have to cook again. So I cover it, and again we have to cook till 10 minutes. I will show you after 10 minutes. So now 10 minutes finish, we have to check our this sambar. Oh wow, so this is already done. See the texture and also color should be like this color, and also this should be like this thickness. Okay, like this. So now this is already done. So we have to put this I forgot to put our this tamarind. So you just put tamarind also in it. Okay, this is, you just mix this tamarind, and this is now ready to serve. So this you can eat with rice or paratha or chapati, whatever. And now we have to garnish with green coriander like this. Okay, and I will show you how you will serve in plate. Okay, so now this is ready to serve. So I will show you. Okay, so now our delicious sambar is ready to serve. So you can eat this with rice or paratha or whatever. So this is very delicious recipe. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. You can put upside like this curry patta and now this is ready to serve. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us on which topic you need video. So I hope you will do like this. We will come with another informative video also. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe and tell to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I hope you will do like this. So we will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.